Welcome to Churros in a Minute, quick and amp delicious, a culinary journey loved worldwide. Today, we're going to explore the quick and easy process of making churros right in your own kitchen. The ingredients are simple: water, butter, sugar, flour, and eggs. To get started, boil the water, butter, and sugar, then stir in the flour. Continue stirring until a dough ball forms, then give it some time to cool down. Next, it's time to whisk in the eggs one by one, and voila, your churro dough is ready for frying. Simply pipe this dough into hot oil and fry until it turns a beautiful golden color. Drain out the excess oil and roll your fresh churros in sugar. The result? Perfect churros made by you right at home. But let's not forget the perfect partner for our churros, a classic dark chocolate dip. Just heat up some cream and chocolate together. The beauty of churros, though, lies in their versatility. Whether it's chocolate or caramel, we want to know what your favorite churro dip is. All friends here, so don't hesitate to share. Until our next culinary adventure, happy cooking. If you enjoyed this quick and delicious churro recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share our video. You can find this and other exciting recipes under the hashtags #churrosrecipe, #quickdesserts, and #homecooking on our homepage.